Hey everybody, I had enough of you ask me about how to change that rule from cosine rule to find side length to get it to an angle. So just wanted to walk through that with you. Right now the little c squared is the subject of the equation, and that means we're going to use this cosine rule to find little c, which is the length of an unknown side. But how do we rearrange that formula to get the cosine of c all by itself? That's what we're going to talk about right now. So for starters, this equation follows the rules of mathematics. So we're going to use what we know about undoing these mathematical operations, or in other words, for starters, if I want to take this minus 2ab cosine c, I can bring this whole thing to the other side of the equation by doing the opposite of subtracting, which is adding. So this c squared, if I do c squared plus the 2ab cosine of angle C, that's now going to be equal to just the a squared plus b squared.
Inside Out, if you've ever watched that movie.
Right? And again, my goal, I want to get the cosine of angle C all by itself. And I'm going to be essentially just undoing all of what is on this side. Now, I've got this c squared here. Now, this c squared is positive. The reason I know that is there's no negative out in front of it. So I'm going to subtract this from both sides. Now my a squared plus b squared is going to be minus a c squared. And that's going to now have the 2ab cosine of angle C there. So again, the goal is I want to get this cosine of C all by itself. Now 2ab means 2 times a times b times the cosine of angle C. Well, how do you undo all that multiplication? Hopefully you're thinking division. So my a squared plus b squared minus c squared, instead of timesing 2ab, we're now divided by 2ab. There is the cosine of angle C all by itself. And that is how you rearrange the cosine rule for side length to now be the cosine rule to find the measure of angle C. All right. Thanks for listening, and I hope that helped.